first refresh the serial and find the target serial. And you can see the parameter read successfully. And then open the factory mode. Put in the password and open the calibration information. And read. And start refreshing. Yes, start refreshing. And try to calibrate 0 in the ambient air. So just put the 0 point and the concentration 0. And then stop refreshing and calibrate. And then we got 0.1 and put in the gas concentration of the gas you're giving and start to give it the gas, and also in the meanwhile start refreshing and wait until the 80 value is stable and stop the refreshing and calibrate. And it's done. That's it.